Okay, so this is the Samsung Active 2. It's the 44 millimeter, and got this from Costco. And they actually have a extra charger kit that was available with this. So for about $239 for the special price, why not get it, right? I've been wanting to get one so that I can track my health, and this looked like the best option for me at this time. Okay, let's open this up. Oops. Okay, I've opened up the bottom. Okay, that's one of the chargers. Some manuals, nothing else in there. And it's about $16 or $17 for one of these charger kits. So let's see. So it looks like there's another charger in here. Yep. So you get two chargers, and look at that, it's a magnetic. Let's see. Pretty strong magnet. Okay. And here's the watch. Samsung Galaxy Watch. So rubber. Clasp feels pretty cheap though. Yeah, it feels like a cheap plastic, but it should be pretty sturdy. It's a Samsung product, so we'll see. So it fits on my wrist about here. And feels pretty light, feels comfortable, but it feels a little bulky on my wrist. But I'm not the type that's used to wearing something, so we'll see. Let's turn this on, and you turn it on with that end of the button there at the bottom. So I just turned it on. Took about 3-second press to turn it on. The screen is pretty smudge. It's pretty much a smudge magnet. I'm thinking of getting a cover for it. It's that one for $7, which looks like it'll do pretty good. And it says setup Galaxy Watch Active. Okay, it says Galaxy Watch Active. Let's go. Galaxy Watch Active. Get started in the Galaxy wearable app on your phone. It's vibrating. So, accessibility, screen reader, visibility enhancements, hearing enhancements, advanced settings. I think, nope. Okay. So, I will start the app on this phone that I'm recording on, and we'll go. So we're going to wearables, Galaxy wearable, get started, pick your device, Galaxy Watch Active 2, Galaxy Watch Active, Fit, Galaxy Buds, Galaxy Watch, Gear Sport, Gear Icon, Gear 3. Mine's the Active 2, the 44 mil, so I'll choose. The Galaxy wearable app needs to do the following permissions: location, storage, phone, contacts, app installation, allow, and allow, and allow. Preparing to connect. Okay, passkey, tap to connect, and it matches. Okay. So I guess I have to add on extra plugin. Well, I'll install that too. It says on the phone, it's on the watch. It says to check your phone to complete setup. So it says check your phone to configure setup. Samsung accessory service. This is making me add a lot more apps than I want. But we'll see. Check your phone. Okay, so Galaxy wearable. While you're pairing, take a moment to learn more about your watch. Finishing pairing. I'm assuming it's going by Bluetooth, but it seems to be a while to finish pairing up this system. And by the way, this is a LG phone, not a Samsung. I'm intending to switch to a Samsung Note 10 or S11 if it comes out. Even if I have two, I'm just shocked that it does not come with power bricks for these systems. Um, they're all cutting costs on those things, which I'm not sure I really care for at this moment, but yeah, feels like it's been over a minute and it's still finishing up on the pairing process. Oops. So it says watch is paired. Congrats on your new Galaxy Watch Active 2. Continue reading. Check your phone to complete step. Press agree. Allow. 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 Voice services. Find my watch. Mapping technologies. Receive marketing info. And I'll just go with those two for now. I'm not sure what that one is. Let's see. Your device using mapping technology is provided by here. Here collects info about your interaction with your platform, such as your related queries and searches performed near your location. This information is processed in accordance with here's policy.
not sure on that, so I'm not going to do that. Okay, next. Get more with your Samsung account. Sign in to your Samsung account. Get the most out of notifications. Find what backup and restore. It says take a look around. Swipe left to see your widgets. Skip. Sign in. Samsung account. Continue with Google. Create account. I am going to continue with something. I'll be right back. Hold on. So one thing with this continue with Google is it's strange that it won't let you sign in with the Google sign in. And I did allow it to be a trusted resource on it, so I'm not sure what's going on. Alright, no, that's not working. Alright, I'll be right back. So, as you know, Samsung, they use their own operating system for the watches. It's the Tizen operating system. It's not an Android OS, but it works pretty well, and it works on Android. So it is updating the watch. So, and it's disconnected from this phone right now. Right now. Finish updating, and it looks like it's rebooting. It's taking a while. Okay, it's at setting up earlier. Okay, it's rebooted. Right now, it's on. Let's connect this. Oops. It's connecting. So right now, currently, it's showing 75%, 30 minutes until full charge. So that's not bad that it's a little bit over 75% when you first get it out of the box. And it's still trying to connect. Finalizing update. Okay. Okay. Connected via Bluetooth. How to use. Swipe left, right, yada yada. I'm not sure what happened to the sign-in process because it's disappeared. Battery is at 75%. Storage 1.5 gigabytes free. RAM 472 megabytes out of the 768 megs it says used. So 296 megabytes of RAM free. Okay.